Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will dive into a common programming task, replacing a specific substring within a list of strings. Specifically, we will learn how to replace all occurrences of CYD with HYD using a for loop in Python without using any built-in functions. Okay, so let us understand the problem. Suppose we have an input list, a list of strings, right? This is a list which is in square brackets and C, Y, D, B, X, Y, Z, so on, right? Then we have three strings, right? These are the three strings. Those three strings are within the list. Now, now, what we are doing here, right? So we are getting the output list and the function we are using called replace CYD with HYD list, and we are sending this input list as a parameter, right? Input parameter. Now we are calling this function, right? So in that function, right, we are sending the input parameter input list, means these three strings will be passed here. Now whatever the output we need to store, right, we are creating as a list, means the output also the same three strings, but where CYD it will be replaced with HYD. See, this is a CYD, right, and this is one more CYD, right? So wherever the number of occurrences, right, CYD, there are three occurrences in this, right? 1 2 3, these three places it will be replaced with HYD, and here also it will be replaced with HYD. That is what we are looking from the output, right? Then here ABC. Let us see, understand the logic here. First, we are using for loop at high level, right? See, there are two loops. One is for loop and another one is while loop. This for loop, what it is doing this, right? It is taking the input list and iterating the strings one by one. Means first string is this one, right? Now we are storing the result equal to empty, and we are starting with the index I equal to 0. We are initializing the index I equal to 0, and while I less than length of string, where what is the string? This is the string, means we are working on the first string, right? That is called inner loop. What that inner loop does, on each string it will execute on the inner loop, right? So length of the string, what we are doing, we are checking whether I means 0, right? 0 to 0 1 2, right? 0 to 0 plus 3 means 3. 3 is explicit, right? Means exclusive, right? So means 0 1 2, it will consider only the first three characters, and it is checking with CYD. Yes, right, it is matching. Then what it does, it will replace, sorry, it will assign the HYD to the empty string. As it is assigned to the empty string, now the first three characters we verified, right? Now what we need to do, we need to verify with the fourth character onwards, right? So I equal to I plus 3, so then it will go to I. Now I value will be 3, 0 1 2 3 3, right? Means it is taking with A. Now the string of I again 3 3 4 5 will check 3 4 5 index ABC, which is not equal to CYD. If 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 statement it is giving false, right? It returns false, then it will go to else statement. Then result equal to result plus string of 5. What does it mean? This A, right? I means 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, index 3, A. Now I equal to I plus 1, means the next index, means I equal to 4. Again it is checking the 4, 4 less than length of the string. Yes, we are right. You did not check the length of the string. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 characters, right? So the length of the string is 14, right? So now here 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 to 7, right? BCY, which is not equal to CYD, right? Then again it will go and place the B, it will append the B to the result, right? Then the next character is C, right? The next character is C, and it is seeking, see, now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5, 2, 7, 8. So 8 is exclusive, right? 5, 6, 7, CYD, which is matching. Again, it is appending the result HYD, right? And it is incrementing the three characters here, because see, the simple logic is if it matches CYD, it is a list slicing, sorry, string slicing, right? If it is matches, CYD will be replacing with HYD, right? And we are adding three indexes, right? If it is not matching, we are simply appending only one character and we are increasing the index. That is the inner while loop logic. Once it is done, it will append the result list, dot append of result. This result, it will be append to the results list, right? Now, this inner loop is done. The next one is the same exercise. It will happen for the next string, right? Right? And then it will result list dot append of result. This serial result, it will append to the result list. Again, it goes to the next string, right? Let's keep on looping, right? So until the whole list is completed. Good. Okay. Yeah, that's all from my end. I hope you enjoyed the session. Yeah. So if you see this one, print the finally we are printing the output list, right? Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much.